Hey guys, welcome back to ORC. So the build is complete. Look at this with the sticker, it looks way better, which is pretty rare. Usually I don't use a sticker from the factory, but this does looks good. So I'll go over the electronics first. I'll be using a light setup for Maiden. This is a 4S 850mm battery. I have an old Hobby King F30M ESC powered by an external USB-C, as well as a Radio Master R84 receiver, which is one of my favorite because, well, it has only 4 channels, very small size, easy to set up. The servo would be the trusty Emax ES08 Metal Gear servo. As for the motor, it's 2212 size, which is the recommended size. They recommend 2400 kV. I'm using 1800 kV. Propeller using the one that came from them, 6.3 inch, which is terrible. It wobbles crazily. Well, the hub breaks easily. I broke one while trying to secure the prop onto the shaft. Then after adding fiber tape to the joint, the wing is much stiffer now, more confident. The stiffness now as if it has a proper carbon spar on it. Very simple basic setup. I think this one weighs only about 550 grams, very light. Depending how it performs, and then we will see whether this will be a long-term flying wing. Okay, hi there. The motor sounds like shit. Our propeller, but the plane is okay. Maybe a bit of tail heavy. A bit nervous to fly, but not as bad as the other plane. It's actually not bad. Flying quite fast. Well, the only thing to complain is the sound. So it looks like I don't need any trim at all, it just flies fine. No complaint. And I'm on high rate now, full rate for aileron. There's no spiral issue like the the new Mini Dragon. I think my propeller wouldn't last in listening to its sound. Now let's try to fly slow. Oh, it's okay. I can do really slow cornering. So now I just try to fly as slow as possible, and it's possible as well, which is a good thing, something that I want. So this is really good. There's no complaint with this plane. This is heading wind. This is headwind with a bit of elevator up. And it's fine. Let's go full speed. When I go full speed, it seems to have top roll, or maybe it's my input. Yeah, that seems to talk when I go full throttle. Okay, now it's okay. Means thrust line should be fine as well. We should be able to go FPV right after this. So I think you can fly aggressive with this as well. Yeah, rolls fine. Just have to be cautious about it. Look fine as well, totally no bad symptom as well. I wonder if they designed this or they maybe copy from another wing with a different size. So far so good, man. Elevator is a bit sensitive. I think we have flown 5 minutes now and there's still no beeping. It should be efficient as well. And after this I'll be using maximum 1400 kV. We should be able to go lower kV for a more efficient flight. We're gonna land after making one more turn. Landing! Woo! Oops, bloody mud. Again, exactly 6 minute flight time. Got some mud.